Did you know one of the most important machines in construction was invented in 1953? It's the backhoe. First created by Wain-Roy in Massachusetts, the backhoe revolutionized digging with its hydraulic-powered arm. Then, in the 1960s, JCB in Britain made it even better by adding a front loader. This dual-purpose machine could dig and load all in one. The backhoe's speed and versatility changed construction forever. It made excavation faster, cheaper, and accessible to small contractors. From roadworks to landscaping, this machine does it all. Today's backhoes are compact, mobile, and packed with modern technology, still leading construction sites worldwide. That's the story of the backhoe, a game changer in construction.